The U.S. is in a vaccination job boom.
There are now more job postings online across the U.S. than there were before the pandemic.
But that doesn't mean people are applying. 42% of small business owners say they couldn't fill positions last month. Matt Flinchbaugh thinks he knows why.
Unemployment, benefits.
He's ready to open his Pennsylvania bar and restaurant 7 days a week, but only has staff for 4.
We're getting super desperate. I'm already paying 10, 20 hours overtime to the employees that I have because I can't get anybody to work.
With extended pandemic unemployment benefits, millions of Americans are receiving around $600 a week, or about $15 an hour. If you increased wages again, do you think that would bring them back?
We can only go to a certain point and without raising prices. All right, thanks.
Those unemployment benefits meant to provide a safety net during the pandemic have shifted the job market.
It is a very unusual situation. This has really put job seekers in the driver's seat to a large degree.
Now, 19 states have reinstated a requirement to look for work while on unemployment, and another 4 plan to do the same.
The industry is taking a big hit.
Alex Abdulas runs a floral design company in New York City. Weddings were big business, and when that market disappeared overnight,
we had to sacrifice some of our staff as a result, so that was very tough.
Couples are booking weddings again, and Alex wants to bring back part-time employees. Are you able to find them?
That's a challenge because most people are receiving the benefits that they need to survive, and part-time employment is not going to pay the bills.
Small businesses like hers are at a disadvantage as larger companies offer incentives to attract workers. Walmart is moving 2/3 of its hourly workers to full-time, while Uber launched a $250 million driver stimulus initiative. Recovering from a difficult year, Alex is making do. Are you forced to turn away business right now?
I'm a little bit concerned about taking on any more weddings. That's my bread and butter, so turning away that kind of business is very difficult. We're just all pulling a lot more of the weight, and it's stressful for my team.
Extended unemployment benefits run out in September. Until then, those help wanted signs may continue to stay up. Stephanie Ruhle, NBC News, New York.